We wander, and when we wander, sometimes we come across beauty, destruction, and people who are rising up from it. We had no idea what had happened in Port Aransas, Texas, only 15 months before our arrival. But keep watching and let us show you how much fun we had experiencing this beautiful island town as it is today.
It's my shoe.
Cool little town. It reminds us a little bit of home, right?
Yeah, it's flatter though, but yeah.
But I mean,
a resort community.
It's just nice to be by the water again.
Yeah.
And so because we don't tow, we're back in that situation.
How are we going to get to the water?
I don't know, but we figured it out. Check this out.
Right here.
So this is going to be the new toy for the
Wheels
day.
for
Yeah.
At least 24 hours.
We can get our shopping done. We can go to the beach. We can go out to dinner, and you know, we can just all in all enjoy driving this cart
Little
around.
unit, yeah.
I think
And we
it'll
rented
be fun.
it right here at the campground.
Yeah, I know. When it wasn't even that much money.
No.
So it's all going to be fun, and let's see what we can see here in Port Aransas.
You guys should come
Mustang
with us.
Island.
This
Let's
thing's
go.
street and beach legal. Let's go.
So I think you're going to like this unit, aren't you?
I think it'll be handy.
Right.
I just gotta have the garbage to the trunk. It's in the trunk.
So I see you've got her all logoed up.
Oh yeah.
Nobody's going to miss who we are.
Everybody's
out there.
gonna know exactly who we are. It's a little high though.
Oh,
Okay, we're in.
you got that.
Are you guys coming?
Do not knock me off.
I'm gonna try not to, but it just does its thing. Like,
Well, don't do that.
it just does a thing.
Don't.
I'm not doing it. It does itself. Honest.
So I just want to take a moment here before we get going to make sure we have agreement that you're driving this vehicle, because that's what it is a vehicle, by the rules. It's got plates and it's allowed to be on the road, and you're going to drive it like a car, correct?
Well, I have a license.
And you're going to drive it like a car, not like some hooligan out in the bush?
Oh, of course.
Okay.
Why do you even need to ask?
Yeah, good to know. We had a really great time going out on the beach in our cart and everything yesterday, and it was so fun, but then we got a little lost.
Well, not really lost, but there was no roads coming off the beach.
And we went forever
long ways.
and ever and ever, and there was no road coming off the beach, and the sun was setting and it was so beautiful. But you know what happens after the sun sets, right?
What happens?
It gets dark.
Oh, it gets dark. Yeah, yeah.
And then we were driving around out there trying to find our way back, and you know how Corey mentioned this thing doesn't have a whole lot of suspension.
No, not much at all.
Anyways, what it amounted to was a loss that we have to try and recover today.
Let's see if I can find it.
Yeah, I'll show you.
So in this cart, there's two compartments, one on the passenger side and one on the driver's side. Driver's side is hats. I'm responsible for hats. You'll take a look later, there'll be hats there. Denise is responsible for shoes. You'll notice that half of them are missing. Shoes. Hats. Oh, the hat's still there.
Well,
What happens to be your hat?
there's a shoe there.
So you have some work to do today. I don't know if we'll find it, but we're gonna go that way anyhow, so we'll see. So, any sign of the shoe? Holy cow.
Look at what we
Like, really?
found. Look at what we
I'm
found.
sure that was a goner. Such a popular shoe, too.
And nobody took
I'm
it.
surprised nobody took it.
Imagine that.
Wow. I thought for sure somebody would have taken that and used it. Like, it's got years of life left in it.
For those of you who are wondering why the obsession with getting this shoe back is because there's not a lot of shoes that work so well for Corey. And we needed the one to go with this one. But what good is the shoe with the lift if you don't have the shoe without
Well,
it?
this is it.
So we're very happy we recovered the missing shoe.
This is like 16 hours later.
So I'm gonna put it back in the compartment here.
Oh my god, I don't know whether you should put it on your side. I don't know if I want you responsible.
I would be happy if you were the one responsible for the shoe. Okay, let's get this bugger in.
Don't wreck it.
This is our last nice day of weather in Port Aransas, Texas, and we want to utilize that and go to the beach. But you know, for us, we don't tow, we ride our bikes. So Corey's trying to come up with some sort of contraption here that'll help us get our chairs and picnic there. Give it a test.
Oh yeah. Rock solid.
Okay, but I still have one question.
It goes on top somehow. Is that what you're thinking? You
Yeah.
kind of tied it down onto itself.
Very secure.
I think I'm feeling confident.
I guess I'll ride behind you.
Okay, pick up the pieces.
Yeah.
All right, off we go. Our beach adventure. You coming? Let's go. I know the way. How is it?
It's not bad. It's not too cold. It's kind of cool feeling the sand get sucked out from underneath your feet.
Nice.
Yeah.
Oh, there goes another guy. There goes two more.
Great spot on this very empty beach.
The key thing though is that we have snacks with us this time, unlike other adventures.
Yeah.
There's a reward for this one.
This is a really beautiful beach, really beautiful place. I guess we're just here at the right time of year. I think the weather's going to turn though for tomorrow, so we're just making the best of today, coming down, enjoying the breeze and the waves and the beach. It's great.
Last day of good weather, probably.
Alrighty, let's have a snack. What are we doing now? What's next?
Oh, it's next. We're going on a boat.
What kind of boat that is
We're
this?
not sure. A pirate boat, maybe.
Okay, well, it was supposed to be a sunset cruise, but it
Yeah.
kind of got canceled, so...
Now it's a booze cruise, so we'll know. We'll see how that goes.
Hopefully it's not too
It'll be out on the
crazy.
water at least.
Yeah, at sunset, which is what we
Right.
were aiming
Striving for.
Well, it's raining, so you know what that means.
We're
outta
outta here.
But seriously, Port Aransas has been a wonderful stay for us.
It has. We came for a couple days. We've been here for over a week. The weather's been good. Very bike friendly. You can get to everything here
Totally.
easily.
All the stores, liquor, grocery,
Restaurants,
seafood market.
the
and
port.
That's by bike, or you can go in like a golf cart thing.
Yeah, you can rent golf carts
Which you
here,
can
which
drive
we
on the
did
road.
one day.
We've had a nice park. You can even boondock on the beach if you like.
Yeah, we chose not to, but you can.
Yeah.
Board the ferry. Leave the ferry.
Now? A little premature.
In August 2017, a Category 4 Hurricane Harvey made landfall directly through the town of Port Aransas, Texas. Winds of 130 miles per hour and a 7-foot storm surge were powerful enough to move ships onto land, tear hotels apart, and devastate homes and businesses. Lives were changed forever that day. 15 months later, what we experienced here was something totally different. Welcoming people, happy and strong, laughing, working, and living and rebuilding their town. They have come so far. Yes, there's much more to do, but these people of Port Aransas just keep going, and it shows. Our visit to this little town is one we'll never forget. Until we meet again, people of Port Aransas. If you too have enjoyed this visit, please hit the like and subscribe buttons and feel free to share your Port Aransas experiences in the comments. We know there's probably lots of you out there.